Do you remember the first words that you ever learned in Thai? Now here's a question. Do you still use any of those same first words or phrases that you learnt? A lot of people, when they come to a country and they learn a new language, the first week, 2 weeks, they'll get a handful of words, 10, 20 phrases, sentences, เลี้ยวซ้าย เลี้ยวขวา ตรงไป เช็คบินครับ and they get a great reaction. Wow, you speak Thai so good, very good. And then as time goes on, when your Thai probably should be getting better, that beginner Thai has already locked itself into your muscle memory and it becomes even part of your identity. After a while, you find yourself plateauing. You can't break past that level of Thai, the beginner level of Thai, when you actually want to start speaking more fluently. You think you're speaking fluently and people go, huh? You have issues with tones and you just can't build the vocabulary up. A lot of the time, it's because of these mistakes that may have been embedded into you from those very early days. Now, I have a series, my Thai Intensive Care Unit. It's a webinar series that's directly targeting those issues. If you've had any of those issues, if that sounds like you, I'd like to invite you to participate in my Thai ICU, Intensive Care Unit. Now, during the workshop, we'll be going through all the things that you need to raise the level of your Thai: particles, pronouns, tones, vowels, just speaking fluently, building vocab. But moreover, I'll be able to listen to the way that you speak and you deliver Thai, and we'll be able to coach and give a 1 or 2 minute explanation that could save years of unlearning or years of trouble wondering why people just aren't understanding you. So click the registration button and join me for my Thai ICU webinar. If you're already subscribed to the Cracking Thai Fundamentals Unlimited package on J-Academy, you can actually go back and listen to all the webinar archives as well. So join me, Thai ICU. I'll see you there. สวัสดีครับ